Welcome to the White Palm YouTube page. In today's video, we'll be making custom stickers with our Cricut Explore Air 2. If you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe and also comment down below. If you'd like something customized or personalized, check out our Etsy shop or you can email us. Okay, so this is where I'm starting and I'm going to be making a sticker with a QR code and with our website. I want to add this to some products. If you would like me to make a tutorial on how I make these designs, please leave a comment below. I'm using Canva and I'll be downloading it as a PNG so I can use it with my Cricut app. So now I'm on Cricut and I'm going to upload each item onto the Cricut app so I can add it to the canvas. I'm saving them as a print then cut image. If it wasn't a picture and it was just some kind of shape, it would only be a cut image. But because there's words and symbols and everything, I have to save it that way. Here I accidentally removed the background because Cricut does allow you to move the background. I just undid it and showed you right there. And I have one more to save, the white sticker. I saved it as complex because I wasn't sure if I saved it any other way if it would take all the information. So I just wanted all my details to be on my sticker. So now I highlighted all three of them and I'm adding them to the canvas. They come up pretty big, so you just have to put it to the size that you want. So I just went to the top where it says size and I put 2.5 and I did the same for the other two, so they're all the same size. Now I'm getting the circle because I want these stickers to be circle stickers. I'm going to make the circle also 2.5 and I'm going to put it on the square. I'm going to highlight them both. And then I'm going to align them centered vertically and horizontally so it's in the dead center. And then I'm going to slice it and that square will become a circle. So you'll see that right now. You remove that and now I have my circle sticker. And I'm going to do that for the other two. Just watch. So now I'm going to go and make it, and now they're ready to be printed and cut. I'm going to double the amount that I want, so I'm going to put 2 of each, apply, and I'm just going to space them out a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to print it. First we're going to print it from a regular printer. So I added the bleed so it doesn't leave me any white lines. And then I put use system dialog just to make sure my printer settings are okay and in color, and it'll print now. So I'm making sure it's on auto select and I'm picking best quality for my printer and I'm going to print it. Now it's printing. This is the sticker paper that I used and here are my printed stickers. So now it's on the mat to go in the Cricut so it can cut the stickers out. So now that it's printed, I have to make sure that's connected to my machine and I put my Cricut on custom. Once it's set to custom, you will look up sticker on the options for materials. Sticker paper will come up. I put an S, so there we go. Sticker paper, it's white, printable. That's the setting we're going to use for the cutter, and now we're going to go to the Cricut. So as you can see on top, it's showing that it's scanning, and as you can see on the bottom, it's scanning the lines, that black line around the circle. The line helps it see where everything is, so it knows exactly where to cut. Right, it looks like it got it. So it's gonna start cutting now. And it's all done. So you can see that it cut out the circles for each sticker. And now we will add it to our product. So we have a mug box here, and I'm just gonna put one of the stickers up here so the person knows where it came from. So we're gonna take the sticker, it's already cut off. It's gonna go on here. And here it is on the box with our website and our QR code.